guys, what's up? How's it going? This is we're gonna go over how to draw a cute fox, but we're gonna draw him angry. So we're gonna go over different expressions of different animals. So this one's gonna be anger. It's just one of many expressions. So that's it. Let's get going. This is easy pictures to draw, and we're gonna be using this marker, the Crayola brand marker. This is for beginners, guys. For beginners, kids, adults as well, but for beginners. So step by step. Pay attention, and let's get going. I'm gonna draw the left. Kind of almost like a lesser than sign. Right? Almost like a lesser than sign. Point up into the head. Up here. Up here. And then like two little, like kind of hair sticking out. Hair sticking out. It's kind of larger ears, the fox ears. They're just basically bloated triangles. And now I'm going to draw the eyes. Kind of round part first, and then I'm going to do the angry part. It's basically like half circles. Nose in the middle. Just basically an upside down pizza shape, just a triangle. Maybe a sideways expression, like, what the heck is this? I'm gonna draw the pattern, and this is one of the few times I draw the pattern on the face there. It's gonna be like the color difference, but I'm just gonna draw a thinner line. Pulling down, pulling down. Pull down to the body, and then the outer legs. Pull down here, the outer leg, and then the last outer leg. Pulling in. Little hairy, again, there's a difference between the pattern of the arm right there. There's a little bit the W shape, and that's just for a different color. Excuse me, different color. And then all up in the middle as well. I'm gonna pull another. Usually you pull a rigid shape before a straight line, and that's just an indication to show that entire area is furry. You just throw a little squiggle, straight line. So you don't have to do squiggles the whole time, right? You don't have to be furry all over. You just squiggle, squiggle, straight line, and that indicates that that whole area is kind of furry. Then I'm gonna draw the tail, which is the fox tail, and it looks kind of like a big, almost like candle shape. And I'm gonna draw also squiggliness there as well. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do what I usually do, which is I'm gonna draw a thick line around the outer border, and that is to kind of establish kind of like a unification to the whole thing. And that's pretty much it. That is an angry fox. If you really want to make him angry, draw it in there. There you go. Draw like a little L almost. Like he's furrowing his brows. And you can actually keep going with that too, with like, you know, more. Thank you. I hope you followed that pretty well. If not, you can rewind it anytime you want. Thank you so much, and I do appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Also, don't forget to oh, I'm sorry, I did say that, right? Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll talk to you next time. Don't forget to check out the free ebook. It is an ebook on how to draw something cute. I try to deconstruct the cute pattern and put it in an ebook just to kind of have as a printable thing to always have on you. So I put that in like a printable size ebook in order for you to get. It's free currently, and it's in the description above. And that's pretty much it. It's gonna be free for now. I might charge for it later on, so get it while it is, available. And that's it. Talk to you guys soon, and I will see you next time.